Welcome to Albershi News. I'm Altia Bobin. Over to the headlines. The Department of Renewable Energy, in association with the Office of the Dean, Training and Development, and the Women Empowerment Cell, conducted a Women's Self-Defense Training Program on 19 November 2024. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam hosted the college PTA meeting on 23 November 2024. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam congratulates the placement achievements of the 2024-25 batch. The Department of Journalism of St. Albert's College Autonomous hosted a workshop on cybersecurity, AI, ethical hacking and Python. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam course Aptitude Coaching for Competitive Exams. The Department of Travel and Tourism of St. Albert's College Autonomous organized a workshop on fundamentals of project report writing for the final year students. The National Service Scheme organized JVGAM their One Student One Crop program. The Electoral Literacy Club of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam organized an election awareness campaign. The NCC cadets of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam shows remarkable performance in selection. The Department of Economics organized a campaign for the celebration of communal harmony. On 19 November 2024, an event was conducted by the Department of Renewable Energy in collaboration with the Office of Dean, Training and Development and Women Empowerment Cell. The program focused on empowering women through self-defense training. The event was held at Melana Hall and had distinguished guests including Kyoshi Suma AS, an Asian judge, and 7th Dan Black Belt Karate National Fighting Gold Medalist, and Smita VH, Assistant News Editor at 24 News, and Hanshi B. Anil Kumar NIS, Asian Judge, 8th Dan Black Belt Karate Coach, National Institute of Sports Patiala. On 23rd November 2024, St. Albert's College Autonomous hosted its PTA meeting in Melana Hall. The meeting was held with the theme Empowering Parents, Elevating Education for a Brighter Future. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, through its Center for Corporate and Industry Relations, announced the placement for following students in Accenture for 2024-25 batch. Rijosh Lopez, Sania Leena and Jidendran AJ from BSc Computer Science. Sharon Danikuti Samuel and MB Abhiram from Vivo Software Development. Sean Joseph Berito from the Department of Business Administration. Congratulations to all students for their remarkable achievement. The Department of Journalism of St. Albert's College Autonomous hosted a workshop on 20th November 2024. This session was held by Blessing G.R., a network specialist and cybersecurity expert on cybersecurity, AI, ethical hacking in Python. The session took place at Bernard Hall. St. Albert's College Autonomous, in collaboration with the IQAC and CCIR, is organizing aptitude coaching for competitive exams. The sessions are scheduled for 20th, 27th, November 4th, 11th and 18th December 2024 by the Department of Computer Science. The resource person for the coaching sessions is Anu Krishna from Aptitech Education. On 22nd November 2024, a session was led by Bichas Nair, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Business Administration at St. Paul's College, Kalamassery, on the topic Fundamentals of Project Report Writing. Ladies Finger Seed Sowing was organized as part of the JVGAM program on 20th November 2024. The program was conducted near parking area of St. Albert's College at 2 p.m. The Electoral Literacy Club, in association with the National Service Scheme Unit 32 and Department of Economics, organized Election Awareness Campaign. The program was under the leadership of Sri Abbas V, Deputy Collector RR Ernakulam, on stronger participation for better democracy on 21st November at 12:30 in Melana Hall. Congratulations to the cadets selected for Pre-RDC 2. LFC Srirag NU of 3K Air, SKN MCC Kochi got selected for Pre-RDC 2 to be held at Group Headquarters, Calicut from 23rd November 2024 to 2nd December 2024. LC Siddharth N. Kamath and LC Anusri AS of Naval Wing 7K NCC selected for Pre-RDC 2 to be held at Calicut from 23rd November 2024 to 2nd December 2024. Congratulations from the Albertian family. The Department of Economics, in association with the National Service Scheme Unit 32 and Office of the Dean, Student Affairs, organized a celebration of communal harmony. The program was conducted on 25th November at 1:30 p.m. in West Delhi Hall. That's all for this week. For more updates, keep watching Al Bashir News. Thank you.